Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Today we will look at 3D tiles for bathroom interior. The world is not flat and your bathroom walls and floors are also don't need to be. In case your house is looking somewhat flat, be surprised at what addition of 3D wall tiles and floor tiles can bring. Suddenly, the present trend is putting the monochrome, clean-cut structure aside in exchange for quieting and natural areas decorated with small artistic features that reflect individual style and character. Moreover, the development and improvement in porcelain and ceramic innovations have brought specialty tiles into the limelight. Also, cutting-edge architectural 3D wall tiles that bring light, shadow, and textures are in trend at this moment, with numerous architects and designers leaning towards uncommon surfaces. Besides, it's a unique method to excite the sense and make an area pop. Notably for individuals who love geometric tiles, this is an approach to take it up a new level and create designs that give off impression of jumping off the wall. On the other hand, 3D wall tiles are not limited to rectangular or square tiles. In addition, they come in all shapes which exhibit a scope of hues and sizes. Indeed, 3D wall tiles and floors are transforming bathroom into a masterpieces. As a matter of fact, they offer endless design outcomes. Your bathroom, for instance, shouldn't be 4 white walls only. In particularly, how about adding depth with 3D wall tiles? Depending on your design, this will truly make your bathroom rustic, of modern, warm and inviting. In other areas of the house that get high foot traffic such as kitchen, 3D mosaic tiles certainly provide beautiful and elegance. Keep watching this video very carefully and you will get ideas how to decorate your bathroom with 3D wall tiles and flooring. Why to use 3D wall tiles? In case you like elegance and impact for an accent wall, 3D self-adhesive wall tiles are an incredible decision to accomplish this. Utilizing 3D adhesive wall tiles will certainly turn the wall area into a magnificent art feature. In particular, you can see hotels using this method to highlight a central features wall in the reception area or any place they need to impress and get your attention. Another additional advantage of using peel and stick 3D wall tiles is a uniform appearance where the crease or edges of the wall tiles turn invisible. Because there are limited sizes of natural stone slabs, 3D ceramic wall tiles can suit bigger areas and add sensational impact wanted in the focal walls. While 3D wall tiles can be dramatic in larger areas, introducing 3D self-adhesive tiles in a smaller zone can also bring an alluring and appealing impact. In fact, it's ideal to utilize 3D adhesive wall tiles in kitchen backsplash or as a feature wall in your bathroom. Although it won't overpower the whole space, it will still offer the wow factor that one might be looking for. How about when it comes to durability and ease of cleaning? In general, you need to seal all natural stone for protection. As a matter of fact, you also need to seal even the grout lines for ceramic or porcelain tiles. Similarly, you need to give same treatment to 3D ceramic wall tiles to maintain its magnificence. With the expansion of design products, accessible homeowners, peel and stick 3D wall tiles are truly becoming the preferred design component to express home sophistication and style. First of all, we cannot overstate the significance of guaranteeing that you appropriately prepare the bonding surfaces. In particular, the two surfaces that you will bond must be smooth, dry, clean and free from every single surface contaminant and loose particles. For new uncontaminated and smooth surfaces, we suggest that you apply an undercoat primer sealer to create a moisture barrier in order to form a bond. Also make sure that you let the sealers fully cure and dry before applying the adhesive. Meanwhile, for plasterboard, prepare the area by clearing off any loose, fine residue from the surface or else the adhesive won't bond. In addition, you should sand any exposed holes or joints to smooth, level surfaces. On the other hand, to prepare non-smooth, bare metal or heavily contaminated surfaces, you should first abrade the surface. We also prescribe utilizing abrading disc used on angle grinder. This is certainly a fast and efficient technique for preparing the surface. Also, this procedure will expel any surface contaminant like rust, oxides, solder or harder buildups like such as old paints. You should then clear off loose particles before you clean the surface. To get rid of grease, oils and mold releases agents from the surface and offer a solid keying surface to the adhesive tape, we suggest utilizing uniquely mixed hydrocarbon type surface cleaners. In general, the cleaner evaporates without leaving a residue on the surface. Finally, we recommend a last wipe down with a clean, solvent moistened cloth. How to cut art 3D wall tiles. Indeed, planning and preparing of your project are essential in guaranteeing a hassle-free and stress-free results for new walls. In particular, plan your wall tiling in increment according to the size of your 3D wall tiles. Width-wise and height-wise, it is important to realize to allow all times a couple of millimeter tolerance. Also, for the best outcomes, we suggest a 1 to 2 mm space between each tiles on all sides. On the other hand, for existing walls, measure the height and width, and if not in size increment, at that point, design your wall in order to have a cut end removed from the eye view. For instance, for a wall open on one end and running into the opposite wall on the other, then your cut end must be wall end knocking into opposite wall. In case that height is not of increment, then you should choose if your cut end will be at base or at the top of the wall. To limit cutting, pick one end, top or base, and then begin the installation. On the other hand, for more even outcomes, start the establishment at the focal point of your divider. If the 3D end walls tile need cutting to fit particular divider wall width or height, measure the width or height and cut the 3D wall tile utilizing an edge processor. Also utilize 1 mm grinding wheel for a better cut. Whenever required, sand down edges for a smooth and clean finish. First, mold making or casting includes covering the item you need to duplicate in a material which will subsequently become firm enough to keep its shape. This is the goal of leaving a hollow space or negative of the item. The mold, which would then be able to hold a casting material to make the precise imitation of the shape. Also, you can have flexible mold making material for easy release of the original item and any cast you make from it, or a hard, inflexible mold if you have a flexible cast and original subjects. In general, the most utilizing and efficient flexible mold making material today is silicone rubber, which you can either pour as a liquid or with the help of a special thickener or brush as a paste on the outside of the original item. In the event that you pour it as a liquid, you should set up temporary wall of clay cardboard around the subject to hold the liquid rubber while it cures or sets. Moreover, you can duplicate a wide range of objects in this simple method of making a block mold of silicone around them as long as they have one level inside. The side you attach to a board first and hence not covered by the silicone, which at that point turns into a passage or pouring holes of the mold. In case the level side happens likewise to be the biggest area of the structure, when you detach a cured block from the board, go over to take it out. You can push it out quickly by flexing the silicone. So friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. We keep updating these videos on our YouTube channel. You can follow us, subscribe us for more such videos. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decorations. Alternatively, you can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. Hope you like this video, and for more such video, keep us subscribed, follow us on our social media profiles and our website. All the link in the description box below. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.